Dear learners, welcome to this video on Futures of Multimedia Authoring Tools. So after going through this video, you will able to differentiate between the authoring and the programming, describe the components of authoring tool and explain the types of authoring system and the programming system. So let us see what is authoring. The authoring means the single file that structured the media interactivity delivered via web or CD-ROM or both or professional designing. So let us compare with the authoring and the programming. The authoring tools are what we call as a high level tools. Authoring tools are the high level tools. A lot of technical details of high things are done in a hidden form, the development. The developer can concentrate on functionality instead of how to make the hardware work. It can be used by the non-programmers also. But when you are comparing to the programming tools or low level tools, they provide access to the low level hardware feature for these who wanted to get most out of the computer. These programming tools are used by the programmers or software engineers. The component of an authoring tool. So what are the components available in the authoring tools will be discussed here. Most authoring system provides facility for loading and saving the media asset. That means, as we discussed earlier, each component created separately, that means graphics, audio, video, text will be created by its own graphical or musical tools. From there, the final product will be loading into the authoring tool and saved as a media, and then various link can be given to the media component. And we can create or edit audio and graphic image also. If you are not using separate software to create audio or edit the audio component or image product, then the authoring tools also allow you to create or edit the product. And then the pages or slide building, that means layer by layer the multimedia data can be created in a single page. So some of the software like Flash or otherwise, if you are going for some other software, then you can go Photoshop. These softwares allow you to create layering, the layering of multimedia data, and you can provide the animation or transition effect for each component, specifying the sequence of application and adding interactive control for navigation and accents at the runtime, and then creating of CD-ROM or web-based distribution. So these are the components. So the authoring tools allow you to provide all sort of efforts to produce the multimedia product. So classes of authoring tools, there are different type of authoring tools are available. Some of the authoring tools helps you to provide the multimedia product in a CD based, and also it will be the providing you to the internet or web enabled product. And some authoring tool helps you to provide the WW publishing tools, and mostly used by the developer, which can be that authoring tool helps you to convert the final product into the web based product. We will come to the comparison of the CD based authoring tool and the web based authoring tool. So CD based authoring tool will help you to internal linking and closed system bounded by the each component, tool based interface, interactive media, stable content, computer based instruction, focus on content delivery, and standalone instruction. So these are the computer authoring tool provides these facilities for CD based authoring tools, and web based authoring tools provides the external linking, open system, that means it is unbounded, and browser interface, active or collaborative media, dynamic content, web-based instruction, focus on communication, and network instructions. So these are the some of the comparison. For example, CD based will be having the internal linking, that means you can link with the component which is available inside the CD-ROM, whereas when you are comparing with the web based, you can give the external linking to the particular component. For example, if any product available on the website, that multimedia product you can give the external link, that means another multimedia product also you can give the link to them, or other website also you can give the link so that the user can visit that particular external links also. And this is a bounded system because you have storing the information into the CD only. It is a standalone, you can use only one time only. And also the content are all it's a static content, we cannot give the dynamic content to the CD based authoring component. But whereas in the web based authoring tool provides you to focus on communication, that means you can communicate using the email and other thing, and also you can have a dynamic content, that authoring tool controls the dynamic control also. Then coming to the next is the CD based authoring tool. Examples are Micromedia Director, HyperCard, Adobe Authoring Ware, and then asymmetric tool books, and these are the some of the example for the authoring tools. The attributes include in these authoring tools are utilized with the CD-ROM and video disk technology, not originally designed to take the advantage of inherent and the unique feature of web-based, and referred a steep learning curve in order to take full advantage of this feature. And if you are instructional applications which includes CBT, CBI and CIA, that means this is a computer based training, computer based instruction, computer application interface. These are the have the simulation, gaming, and micro world, tutoring and individual instruction, self-contained interactive modules. So if you are using the CD based authoring tool, helps you to produce the CBT and CBI. Some of the CBTs, CBIs are used to for the individual learning and also self learning. For that type of material we can produce using through this type of authoring tool. And coming to the web based authoring tool, helps you to produce the personal and instructional web pages, web publishing, organization of web based resources, structured websites to provide web based instruction, WBI, that means web based instruction, and complex animation and interaction when the user with a high level of scripting languages. And also the web based authoring tool has utilized with the internet and web based technology, required a steep learning curve in order to take full advantage of the features. That means what you see is what you get. That type of technology can be used for the can be produced using these the authoring tools. Example for web based authoring tools are Microsoft Front Page and Micromedia Dreamweaver, and also Adobe packages. These are the obsolete, the Microsoft Dreamweaver and then Microsoft Front Pages are obsolete now. They have come with the new product where you can develop the product using the authoring tools. So type of authoring system, there are many developmental model that can be used for multimedia application. The authoring systems generally have following categories, that is slide, card or frame based, icon based, the scroll model, object oriented model, script language based. Some of the system combine one or more of these to create more sophisticated tools. So, we will discuss one by one. The object oriented model and script language model are the basically the high end level which have a more learning curve to use the particular authoring tools used to produce the multimedia product. So, that will be helping you to high level of high quality multimedia production. So, slide card or frame based authoring tools, each part of the application is self-contained in a single page or screen or scene. So, all the page will create separately, then integrated into the final application. So, each page will be created separately and we have to integrate all the pages to get the final product, or some expert used to call as a screen. So, each screen will be created separately and that will be integrated in the final product. And a page may contain hyperlinks to the other pages to provide the navigation, or pages may be a sequential view. So, we have discussed the navigation and also sequential and linear and non-linear sequencing. So, that page, each page or screen have the hyperlink to connect with the other pages, or otherwise one by one we can call the next screen or pages. There may be a global parameters that can be set to affect the entire application, for example background color, default font, etc. So, as we discussed in the different other video program, we have explained that how the background color and font color will be there. So, in order to do the sequential or uniformity, the planning stage itself will decide the background color and the default font. So that all the product will have the similarity with the background color and the font. So, icon based authoring tools, each part is represented on icon, that is symbol or picture. Each icon does a specific task. For example, play a sound, that means the small playback symbol will help you to if you are click that symbol, take care that the user want to play a sound. Similarly, the home symbol is available, it implies that if you click on that particular home symbol, that will lead to the home page of the particular product. And also icon are linked together to form a complete application. It can be easily visualized the structure and navigation of the final product. Time based tools. In this authoring system, the elements and events are organized along a timeline with resolutions as a high or higher than 1/30 second. The time based tools are best to use when you have a message with a beginner or an end. Sequentially organized graphic frames are played back at the speed that you can set. Other elements are triggered back at the given time or location in the sequencing of events. The most powerful time based tools let you program jump into a many location and in a sequence or in a navigation or in a interactive control. The multimedia programming tools differ from the authoring tools in that they tend to be a much lower level and require a developer to have more knowledge of underlying hardware and programming language. The programming tools give the developer access to much more functionality than the authoring tool, but require much more effort. That means you can effort in the sense not only the human effort but also the budgeting also, because the programming tools have a will have a very if you want to run a programming tools, then you need a perfect hardware for that, and also the expert to develop the coding and to run the programming tools. The basic tools versus the packages. The basic tools are like a HTML, that means embedded graph, sound, audio, video, etc. It has a lack of structured, and PowerPoint, which is easy but many features are not available. These are the basic tools which are using for developing the very basic multimedia product. But when you are having the packages, in that you can use it like a QuickTime, Flash, Director or Shockware, plugins like VRML, music plugins. These are some of the packages which helps you to produce the multimedia product. So what are the common issues in this one? The common issues are compression, streaming, good interactivity needs programming, and easy for use for the user, and audience acceptability. So acceptability is very important because when you are developing the product, the audience should accept the product. So if they are not compatible with the audience, then that product will be the failure one. So compression also required because the multimedia contains many audio video which have a large amount of file size and everything. So compression techniques should be used, and also streaming, because when you are going for the web based delivery, then the streaming is important for the audio and video program with component. And interactive, if you have a very good interactive, you need a fine touch of programming quality, so that the fine quality of interactivity can be built in the multimedia product. Choosing a right authoring tool is very important. So how to choose? You have to do the following question when you are going to select the authoring tool. Who will be the users? That is a very important first and foremost question. Who will be the users? The user, if you are having the user as a student, then you can select different type of authoring tool. If you are going for the user as adults or product based multimedia, then the authoring tools will be different. If it is a kids, small younger student or younger people, then it will be authoring tool should have attractive or animated type of product. And next, what is the project purpose? So what will be the purpose for that? If the project may be advertisement, then you need a different type of authoring tool. If it is an educational purpose or the entire course you are planning to put in the multimedia component, then that purpose will be different. And after that, you have to question you that what the delivery platform, what will be the delivery platform, whether you are going through the CD based or web based. So based on that, your authoring tool will be vary. And what is the limit of the budget? So budget is also very important role in the multimedia package, because based on the budget only your software, hardware and authoring tools will be used for this producing the multimedia component. And later, what multimedia element will be presented. So whether you are going for only the text based multimedia product or sound based multimedia product or video based or combination of all the elements, that will also depends. For example, as I explained earlier also, if you are going to present any multimedia component, then you need to select whether that particular component is used or not. If your audience is a wider range, or otherwise you are going to address the audience who are visually impacted, then most prominent component is a sound. So entire multimedia package should be based on the sound based production. Or if you are going for the the adults who are not willing to watch the animation based product, then you can mainly focusing on the text based multimedia components. So these are the things which you are going, you have to select, you have to question yourself. And after that, what authoring tools are available. For example, if you are going for this, whether that particular authoring tool is available to you for that for planning style or your production timing. So based on your timing, whether the authoring tool is available, then only you can use it for that particular authoring tool to produce the content. So let us discuss the authoring tool. Very easy and most available, very basic authoring tools is a PowerPoint presentation. The PowerPoint is the product is very easy and popular. Export into the HTML format, import the bitmap images, we can import into the PowerPoint presentation, can play the movie within the PowerPoint presentation, you can play a movie also, can embed the hyperlinks, you can insert the hyperlinks in the PowerPoint, but you cannot give more interactivity in the PowerPoint presentation. You have to work for various component to interact with it. That means you have to give the various hyperlink to make the interactivity, and they accept the WAV file also. It will accept the WAV file too. The next one is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You can download from this site, and the PowerPoint presentation will used for the business graphic packages or slide based multimedia tool, and it support the vector graphs, bitmap images, sound, audio and hyperlinks. And also it supports many slide transition and the animation. So very small type animation you can prepare also, and developer can script the object to make them display at a specific time or even or in the events. So these are the basic advantage of Microsoft PowerPoint. And QuickTime is another authoring tool, contains for time based media. This digital video or animation with a sound can be created using the QuickTime authoring tool. Not just a video, Flash or MIDI or Mature will be also used in this QuickTime software. Now we will discuss about the Micromedia Director. Right, nowadays this software is not available, it's outdated and obsolete, but the features we can explain the features. All the features are available in the latest authoring tools in the Adobe packages. The Director is a package with many features like sound and authoring, audio video editing, and also bitmap and vector graphic editing and asset management also. It uses the metaphor of cast, stage and store. That means cast are the media assets, stages are the screen or individual pages, and scores are the sequence of the events. The Director has its own programming language called Lingo, which can be used to add a new functionalities. And Adobe Director, this is the latest one. This can be used, the product can be produced for CD-ROM, web and the kiosk also, and bitmap graphic, complex scripting like a Lingo, and Shockwave for web and cross-platform media also we can use in this package. And Real Slideshow, you can download from this particular link. And Real Slideshow combine the bitmap image with a digital audio, and for example audio effect, narration and sound or music to create the multimedia slideshow for the web. It is based on the timeline model, but use a drag and drop method for easy content sequencing. Macromedia Flash, this also outdated now, but it has a very features to develop the multimedia packages. The Flash is a tool for creating animated vector graphics and multimedia. It uses a timeline and a object oriented model. It has a very useful feature called a tweening, which can be used to create the animations, and the Flash is a popular format on the websites. These are the screenshot for the Microsoft Flash screenshot. This is Adobe Flash. Now this Macromedia Flash is combined with the Adobe, and Flash features of vector graphing and then designing a web page, and the keyframe animation, action scripts are available for the event, and through streaming, and then sounds or wave format and MP3 format can be used in this Flash authoring tool. And Shockwave, this is a plugin from the Macromedia which allow the web delivery for the multimedia production, and these are the different version of the Shockwaves are used with the director, authorware and the freehand. So there are some tips for the beginners for authoring. The beginners can use the templates or library and found in a tutorial which can be used from the internet also. They can go through or use the template for designing the multimedia component. Later, once they have familiarized with the authoring tool, then they can go for the programming or action script for developing the multimedia component. And also they can use it for the file size. Small video can be created using that, then that can be tested, and then once they are familiar with that particular all the components of the authoring tool, then they can go for the utilizing all the features available in the authoring tool. What to choose? That if you want to do the any authoring tools, PowerPoint, if it is simplicity, if you are very simple multimedia component you want to develop, then you can use it for the PowerPoint. Flash for the interface or slideshow streaming. Director is a good for programming and simulation, and these are the some of the links you can use it for the future use. So from this video we have learnt the authoring tools and the programming tools. And authoring tools are generally quicker to learn and can be used by the non-programmers, and programming tools are more difficult to use, and it requires the programming knowledge to produce the very good multimedia component. Thank you.